welcome back to my channel, Life with Danielle Malcolm. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell, so every time I post a video, you'll be notified. Here can I do today? No big style, but it catch up neatish. No edges on something. I'm sure you've seen the title down below, what I'll be doing today. The title of this video is what's in my makeup kit. If you're watch me for a while, you'll probably realize me know your makeup. But me already have the kit here. I'm gonna show you inside. Please watch this video till the end. And meanwhile I will just give one nice thumbs up. It will be greatly appreciated. And just comment say did they hear or something. So here's my makeup kit. So beautiful, right? Oh my god, I got it for my birthday when I turned 19. Yeah, 19. A 19? No? Let me turn 20. So I've got this rainbow sugar lip gloss. Oh my god, I got this I just gone Christmas. Let me get this at Christmas. Woo! Smells heavenly. I'm not gonna try on all of them. I just couldn't resist. So you have the rainbow sugar. Put this one side. Then I have this is an all natural sugar lip scrub, cranberry flavored. It look like lip gloss but actually lip scrub. Cranberry flavor, smells so good, and you have sugar grains. Then you have a little mascara. Then you have others. I have this in name She Makeup waterproof gel eyeliner, but somehow I don't know where the buckle part, where the little jar gone, it went missing. From the last video what me do, my makeup horrible, I don't know where that day something gone. Right here I have Shiny versus Rainbow lip gloss with glitter. He kinda look like this. This and this kinda look alike. Almost the same color there. Same colors. I'm gonna say no orange in this and no yellow. But what about purple, blue, red, yellow, pink. So see orange in this one in this, and green in this one in this. Yeah. Shiny versus Rainbow and Rainbow Sugar. I have this, a pack of mascara wands. Brush the eyelashes, but I don't do that. I just do decoration. I think I've done it once or twice. I have this lip gloss. I don't know, magic lipstick. Well, this is magic lip gloss. It never looks so me just bite in here, so me just bite, it look blue like this. But when you put it on your mouth, I rub it up a bright pink like magic lipstick. But if you used to go, who used to go to school, I don't know if I want to train now, but when I go to school, everybody I kill up themselves magic lipstick. Put on it on their mouth and run name sweetie. But then one teacher if you see a lipstick they on their mouth. Change colour now after music a couple of times. Still not use, a long time I use it still. I have this magic lip oil. This is the same thing. The green. I lip gloss. This I look on green, so you know. See it there, see one that move green, but when you put it on your lip it's pink. Woo! Smells lovely. Magic lip gloss, do me love it bad. I have this what I have from Wappy Kill Philip. I have that lip gloss from before Corona. Where gone? It on this I see them. So I had this one before Corona and then I get this for Christmas. See the difference? When you want to do this trim, I want the color they mix up, but yeah, it is what it is. I have this lipstick. It is pink, of course. I have this from Trinidad and pay for. No, not me pay for. Trinidad, my friend pay for. She buy one pink and one purple. Yeah, so this is it. I have this lipstick. Kidding. This is the cover. See the actual lipstick here. Woo! Smells like chocolate. I got this from my friend Berry, Tracy Berry, back in 2019. Then after I got that, I saw this in a store and I bought it. It's red. Also, nearly a smelly right now. What the? They smell like chocolate though. This brown lipstick, I got this from Wappy Kill Philip. From me I got primary school, me have this. Remember that they have them. Cause like somebody they carry them come give me I got primary school and mother never allow me to wear lipstick and then something they them time them. So she keep them for me and give me them when me grow big. But me not wear them. You know then time them that kill up for wear them. Say me put on. I say no. So she give me when me grow big and me still have them till now. From me I got primary school and you think I did that? Lord God. One brown and one red. Move no mosquito man. Move! I don't like the smell of them though. Here I have a black lipstick. I think me buy this at Sarah's. I think me buy this one long time ago. Not really long time ago. I think me used to wear it go. I think me used to wear it in 2019. And I got this lip gloss that I got for my 19th birthday. Yup. When I put it on your mouth, it just feels so nice. Right now, I tell more back one more of this exact lip gloss. There can never be too much lip gloss. I have this Pro Conceal. Pour me. You know why me buy this? To cover the bags under my eyes. See, through to me no know nothing about makeup. Me buy this, that's the thing you know. This concealer. I do like this with the brush under my eye. Burp, burp, burp. And feel say the eye bags them are gonna disappear. You know when some people do some makeup. And you see how them nose big and ugly. Or you see them face tough. I don't know, like them feel alright. Not say tough, but like them face ugly and features ugly. And when they put on the makeup, they pretty. And then they have dark circle and bag, and they put on it, look so. So me think say this could do it, so me buy if you do it, but me still end up see the bag them. So yeah, that's that. For me and the makeup, I've got this is terrible. I got this eyeliner, you know, say top of eyeliner silver. Mine is an ugly color. It look army green and grey in one. And then this is the tip of it. Yeah. I'm gonna use it. Last time I used it, I made do the makeup challenge. So now, you see this lip gloss, you go through troubles and trials, as you can see. I look mash up and old. I have this here from in a grade 8. I did get it from one girl when named Anifia Watson in 8th grade. Yup. And then she leave the school. She transfer in grade 8, so I'm not see her again. One time we got grade 9, she transfer, I'm not see her again. So yep, she gave me this in 8th grade, and I still got it. I like it. I like it. And it's still good, you know. This now, I don't remember where me get it. I must say she see man me get this here from Annie. You see right through your thin. This name Cherry Truffles. And the next one, let me just put on your Mocha Madness. This is Cherry Truffles. This is the beloved Magic Lipstick. Yup. We all know this. See this one there? I just couldn't resist it. I don't know see glitter. It's shimmery. Shimmer and shine. Oh, smells so good. Alright, it's shimmery. This now, one girl did I sell it a very long time ago from me. I go grade 7, somewhere about there. And I bought it and I still have it. I smell if you think. No smell nothing. I like it color. From the time them love pink, you know. By cause it's pink. And we have this purple lipstick. Yup. I have this rose hip oil lip gloss. Everyone good while. I think it did smell rosy. You know, smell so good again. Then me have this black lipstick again. When we get in for my 19th birthday. What is up, honey? Yeah. Get this for my 19th birthday. What is? Oh, our next magic lipstick, but a black. But it done. Oh well. Magic wear out. We had this magic lipstick from Wappy Kill Philip. Look there. Long time ever, you know. Then we have this one. Me just buy. Oh, me did buy this for my birthday. But me buy 4 of them. One for me, one for Chanel, one for Carissa, one for mommy. And they say me I take it pink and Carissa the red, and she take away the pink one. What a trouble when me and Carissa love pink together. Yeah. So that is not it. I have this. Yeah, it's a disaster, I know. I want face powder. Shimmer and shine. Shimmer and shine. It's called LA Colors Mineral Pressed Powder. $4.90. Empty-ish because it broke. And the powder and the mirror. How me end up with this now? When me da go our hard school a balaclava, one dark skinned girl they buy this for herself. But she not really know nothing about makeup. She said she got the store and tell them say she want one color for herself. And they end up give her this, but it's not her color, this is my color. So she end up sell it to me. And that's why I ended up with this. My makeup kit is empty. That is all that's in my makeup kit. One face powder. Check. 1 pack of mascaras. Check. 1 half waterproof gel eyeliner. Check. 1 concealer. Check again. And 1 mascara. 1 lip scrub. Not so much lipstick. 1 7 7 8 9 10 11 lipstick and 12 lip gloss. 12 lip gloss, 11 lipstick, 1 concealer, 1 eyebrow something I did, 1 eyebrow makeup, 1 face powder, 1 mascara, and 1 eyeliner. That is all that's in my makeup kit. Bare lip gloss and lipstick. The rest of them, yeah, you know how that goes. So I come showing everything in my makeup kit now. This is the end of the video. This can't want padlock in if you have somebody fast in your makeup. You just put one look beanie padlock on you and lock up it. No, if you open it 2 zips up. I love this makeup kit so badly. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see something interesting or want to comment, feel free to do so, but make sure you stay positive. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.